Yesterday we have seen divisibility rules till 6. Okay. Now we have seen a number divisible by 2 will have a even number. Even will be a even number, right? It means in units place we will have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. If these are the units place, then we can say that that particular number is divisible by 2. Now if you say 3, if sum of digits divisible by 3, then I can say that the number is divisible by 3. 4, last two digits will check. Last two digits if divisible by 4, then I can say that a number is divisible by 4, right? Now if you come to the fifth one, last units place if it is having 0 and 5, 0 or 5, then I can say that this number is divisible by 5. Now for the sixth one, what was the rule? Can anybody remember? This was the last rule. What was the rule for sixth one that I have taught in the last class? And today we are going to see divisibility rules for 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. I hope this is clear. Yes. Renuka says that 6 is if you want to check whether a number divisible by 6 or not, then it has to be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay, this one was the last class. Today we will see how we will check the divisibility by 7. Okay, let me start. Divisibility ability by 7. Divisibility by 7. Now let me take an example and explain you once. 203. Okay, if you want to check whether 203 is divisible by 7 or not, we'll do this afterwards. Before this, what we will do, we'll try to solve a simple question. Okay, let's take example of 20 35. Okay, let's take example of 35. Now what is your work? Whenever you are checking whether this number is divisible by 7 or not, you need to identify what is units place. Okay, after identifying what is units place, you need to multiply that units place with 2. Now can you tell me what is the answer? I have got 3, 5, right? I have got 3 and 5. Units place here is 5, so 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Now what you will do is you will subtract 3 minus 10. What is the answer? What is the answer for 3 minus 10? I need response from every one of you. Okay, I can see the chat. Is it true? Is it 7 or minus 7? Is it divisible by 7? Is minus 7 divisible by 7? We'll see. Minus 7 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 minus 1s are. So minus 7 is divisible by 7. That's why this 35 is divisible. We'll solve some more questions. We'll take example of a obvious question. 49. Okay. We'll take 49 itself. What is the first procedure? Identify which is the units place. So units place here is what? 9. Multiply it with 2. Multiply the number with 2. So you get 18. Now you try to subtract 4 from 18 or 8 from 4 from 18 or 18 from 4. So what you are going to get? It will be equal to how much? 4 minus 18. What is the answer? 4 minus 18. You should be able to solve these questions. They are simpler ones. Yes, it is minus 14. Right. So can you say now 49 is divisible by 7 or not? This is very important because it is bit difficult to identify whether a number is divisible by 7 or not, because we have never seen divisibility rule for 7, but I am telling you this is one of the best rule which you can use to check the divisibility by 7. So let's take this example now. 203. Okay, what is the first rule? You are going to take the units place. What is the units place? What is there in the units place? We have got 3, right? So multiply 3 by 2, we got 6. After taking out 3, we are left with 20, right? Take this 20, 20 minus 6. What is the answer? 14. Is 14 divisible by 7? Yes. Therefore, 203 is also divisible by 7. By 7. Okay. I hope this one was clear. If you have understood, give a thumbs up. We'll go to the next one. I'll give questions afterwards. Okay, good. Just take this 412. Can you tell me, is it divisible by 7? By 7? Is it divisible by 7? Follow the rule. Identify the units place. First, it is 2. Then multiply it by 2. You get 4. So 41 minus 4. What is the answer? 37. Is it divisible by 7? No. So 412 is also not divisible. You need to follow this rule. Okay. I hope this one was clear. Anybody, any doubt in this one? Okay, good. Now we'll go to the next one, divisibility rule for 8. We'll check how we will check the divisibility for 8. What is the rule says? Last three digits of a number are divisible by 8. Then number is divisible by 8. Then number is divisible by 8. Got it? So if you take 4712, if you take this part, if you take this number, what are the three digits here? 712. You try to divide this 712 by 8. If it is divisible by 8, then you are going to say that the whole given number is divisible by 8. So check whether, tell me whether 712 is divisible by 8 or not. Check whether 712 is divisible by 8 or not. So I need a response from you. I want you to solve this question at least. Check whether 712 is divisible by 8 or not. Yes, it is divisible. If 712 is divisible by 8, any number like 4, 7, 1, 2 divisible by 8, 3, 7, 1, 2 divisible by 8, 1, 8, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2. This is also divisible by 8. because 712 is divisible by 8. I hope you understood this rule. Okay, last three digits has to be checked. Fine. Now we'll check the divisibility. Okay, I want you to solve a question. 6314. 6314. Is it divisible by 8? Identify and tell me. 6314, is it divisible by 8? No. Okay. Any other answers? Just you need to check whether 314 is divisible by 8 or not. No. Okay, good. This is not divisible by 8 because this is not divisible by 8 because this is not divisible by 8. Okay. So we'll go to the next one. Divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. What rule says sum of all digits divisible by 9? If sum of all digits is divisible by 9, then I can say that number is divisible by 9. I hope this rule is clear. We'll take some examples. Can you tell me 18 is divisible by 9 or not? Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, it is obvious because 9 twos are 18. It is easy to find. But if you observe one thing, if you add all the digits, you are going to get 9 here. So I can say that 18 is divisible by 9. Okay. In the same way, if you take any of the multiples of 9, 9 into 3, 27, you get 9. 9 into 4, 36. So if you add them, you are getting 9. You understood? You observe this pattern. Any number that is divisible by 9, when you add the digits, you are always getting 9. So you will use this rule to check whether a number is divisible by 9 or not. Okay. So 73818. Can you tell me is it divisible by 9 or not? Use the rule and find out 73818 divisible by 9 or not. So you are finding the sum. Hello. Am I audible? Is there any issue with the meeting? Okay. Yes, it is divisible by 9. Because if you see the sum, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. I'll tell you the simplest trick to solve this question. You need not add all of this. As I have told in the divisibility by 3, we'll use the same rule. We'll try to remove the part that is 9. Okay, that is 9. So if you take this 1 8, remove this one. Okay. Now if you take this 8 and 1 from this, it becomes 9. Remove that one. After taking 1 from 3, you are left with 2. So 7 and 2, it is also 9. 9, 9, 9. So it is divisible by 9. Okay. You can use this rule. I'll give a question. Just try to solve that again. 3, 5, 8, 2, 9, 1, 3, 3, 4, 7. Just use the same rule that I have mentioned. Try to remove the parts of 9 from this one. And tell me whether this is divisible by 9 or not. You need not add all of them. You can just go on removing the 9s from this one. Okay, let me explain. I can remove this 9. Okay, I can remove this 8 and 1 because it becomes 9. Then I can I can divide this 2 and 2. This 9 can be removed. This 8 and this 1 can be removed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. So this is divisible by 9. You can add all of them. Adding will take time. If you go on removing 9s, it will be easier. Okay? Yes, it is divisible. Just we will try another simple question. It is very simple. Just you will require practice to remove 9s from the number. That's all. Okay? 245. Is it divisible by 9? Just by looking at it, you will be able to say, because 4 and 9 is what? 4, 5 is what? 9. We are left with 2. So it is not divisible by 9. We should be left with 9 or 0 when you take out 9 parts from this. So this is not divisible by 9. Now can you tell me 4, 5, 3, 3. Is it divisible by 9? 4, 5, 3, 3. No. I hope you are able to identify much faster without adding it. Got it? So isn't it a simple trick to find out whether it is divisible by 9 or not? If you understood, give a thumbs up. We'll go to the next one. Good, good. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question, that is divisibility by 10. This is known to everyone. If the last digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 0. Divisible by 0. 10. The number is divisible by 10. If the last digit is 0, then I can say that the number itself is divisible by 10. For example, 350. This is divisible by 10. So this is simple. I need not speak much on this. You know this part. We'll start with the divisibility by 11. Tomorrow we'll see 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 till 19. Okay. And 20 is fine, I think. But today we'll finish this 11 and we'll solve some of the examples and we'll take a leave. Fine. Now what this rule says, alternating digits when added and the obtained values are subtracted, and the if the value is divisible by 11, if the value is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. I'll explain you the example. Let me take example as 1 to 1. Okay, now what are the alternate numbers here? 1 and 1. Okay, so what is the sum? It is 2. And here alternate number, it is 2. Okay, 2. Now we have to subtract them. So this will be equal to 0, and 0 is divisible by 11. That's why 1 to 1 is divisible by 11. Okay, we'll solve another question. You take 1, 4, 5, 2. 1, 4, 5, 2. What are the alternate numbers here? 1 and 5. Add them. I have got 6. Right. And alternate numbers here, 4 and 2. So it is 6. Subtract them. You get 0. It is divisible by 11. Right. Now again we will try to do the same thing. Take another example, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1, 4, 7. If this is the number, how will you identify whether it is divisible by 11 or not? What you do, go on adding 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14, then 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, so 12. So you got 2. 2 is not divisible by 11. That's why this number is not divisible by 11. I hope you understood this rule. You need to add the alternate numbers. Okay. After adding them, you need to subtract, then find out whether obtained value is divisible by 11 or not. You got this one? I'll just give you an example. I'll give you a question. Try to solve that one. Can you tell me it is divisible by 11 or not? Is it divisible by 11? So apply the rule. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay. Note down 11. Then again alternating numbers. Here. 3, 1, 1, 6. Add all of them. 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 11. So 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. So 21 minus 11. You get 10. Since 10 is not divisible by 11, this number is also not divisible by 11. Okay. This was the divisibility by 11 rule.